సికింద్రాబాద్ మహబూబ్ కళాశాల ఆడిటోరియంలో భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ చేంజ్ హైదరాబాద్ కార్యక్రమంలో బీజేవైఎం జాతీయ అధ్యక్షుడు తేజస్వి సూర్య మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారం ద్వారా చూద్దాం.
You take any examination of the country, IIT एग्जाम हो, IIM का एग्जाम हो, NEET का एग्जाम हो, किसी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम को आप देखिए, टॉप 10 में लगभग 50% युवा तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश से ही आ गया है. That is the kind of talent, the kind of hard work that young people of Telangana, they all have always been doing. But this state, unfortunately, in the last so many years, has not had good governance. Government is not working for the common people of Telangana. Government is not working for the common youth of Telangana. Government is working only for one family of Telangana. That is the difficulty of Telangana. Friends, today I stand before you as a member of parliament, as the national president of the Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha. I come from a very, very common family like all of you. I am a Samanya Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party. When I contested elections last year, I had 12 lakh rupees in my bank account. But my party identifies a Samanya Karyakarta, makes them a leader and makes them a national leader. That is the Bharatiya Janata Party. एक अति सामान्य कार्यकर्ता अत्यंत सामान्य परिवार से जो आता है वो राष्ट्रीय नेता बन सकता है. वो सिर्फ भारतीय जनता पार्टी में ही संभव है. ये हमारा पार्टी का विशेषता है. Democracy's definition has changed in Hyderabad. What did we learn in college? Democracy means system of the people, by the people, for the people. What is going on in Telangana and Hyderabad? Government and party of the family, by the family, for the family. आप किसी इलेक्शंस को देखिए, जनरल इलेक्शंस हो या बाय इलेक्शन हो, चेहरा कौन सा दिखता है? एक इलेक्शन में केसीआर, दूसरा इलेक्शन में केटीआर, तीसरा इलेक्शन में हरीश राव, तीसरा और हैदराबाद में एक चेहरा अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी, दूसरा चेहरा असदुद्दीन ओवैसी. ये सब लोगों ने राजनीति को प्राइवेट एंटरप्राइज बना दिया है. These people have made public political parties into private companies. And today, the youth of Telangana, on behalf of all of you, on all your shoulders is a very, very big responsibility. What is that responsibility? That responsibility is to change the definition of democracy in Telangana and take it back to its original definition of the people, by the people, for the people. Only the Bharatiya Janata Party can do this. भारतीय जनता पार्टी किसी एक व्यक्ति का पार्टी नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी नरेंद्र मोदी जी का पार्टी नहीं है, नड्डा जी का पार्टी नहीं है, अमित शाह जी का पार्टी नहीं है, मेरा पार्टी नहीं है. भारतीय जनता पार्टी हम सब का पार्टी है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस ऑफ द भारतीय जनता पार्टी. फ्रेंड्स, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, the young people of the country have rejected all family politics. Even just look at the map of the country today. For 60 long years after independence, Jammu Kashmir was ruled by Mehbooba Mufti's family and Umar Abdullah's family. Today, where are they? People have sent them on permanent quarantine. Come to Bihar. The sun tried so much, but the sun never rose. Even there, only Narendra Modi ji's development politics won. You look at the entire country today. The young of the country have decided that politics will not be the confines of rich families and rich political kids alone. Politics belongs to common people like us. We will drive the change in the country. The same thing will happen even in Telangana today, even in Hyderabad today. Friends, this election is not just a municipal election. I want to say two important things. We don't have much time, but two very important things which we have to consider. Why this election is so important? After India became independent, every single year, India is becoming more and more urbanized. शहरीकरण पूरे देश में ज्यादा हो रहा है. लोग अच्छे अवसर के लिए, नया जीवन के लिए, बेहतर सुविधा के लिए गांव से शहर तक पहुंच रहा है. And there is only one government and only one party. If you vote for OIC here, OIC becomes strong in Bihar. If you vote for OIC here, OIC becomes strong in a Muslim locality in Karnataka. If you support OIC here, OIC will become strong in Uttar Pradesh. And what does OIC mean? Who is OIC? OIC is Muhammad Ali Jinnah's new avatar. We must defeat him. Every single vote you give to the Bharatiya Janata Party is a vote for Bharat, is a vote for Hindutva, is a vote for making our country much stronger. A vote for OIC. Please tell this to every single Bharatiya in Telangana, every single Bharatiya in Hyderabad. A vote for OIC will mean a vote against India. A vote for OIC is a defeat for all good things that India stands for. We will not let this Islamization happen. We will not let this Islamization happen. Yuva Morcha Telangana, this is our sankalp. Bharatiya Janata Party Yuva Morcha का संकल्प यही है. साथियों, मैं आज सुबह एक वीडियो देख रहा था. MIM के किसी एक विधायक उसमें बात कर रहा था. न्यू हैदराबाद किसी की हाथ में हो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. पुराना शहर ओल्ड हैदराबाद हमारे कब्जे में ही है. हम सबको याद है अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी कैसा बयान दिया था. वो 15 मिनट का बयान. मैं उनको आज इधर से याद करना चाहता हूं. अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी और असादुद्दीन ओवैसी, सुनिए, ये निजामों का काल नहीं है. ये निजामों का काल नहीं है. ये हिंदू हृदय सम्राट नरेंद्र मोदी जी का समय है. आपका कुछ इधर नहीं चलेगा. साथियों, एक TRS और MIM are two faces of the same coin. आप ऐसे टॉस कर दो, हेड्स भी आए टेल्स भी आए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। हेड्स आई विन, टेल्स यू लूज, यही होता है। अब देखिए, मैं पढ़ रहा था केसीआर जी का विजन क्या था। वो हैदराबाद को इस्तांबुल बनाना चाहते हैं। सही है नहीं? हैदराबाद को इस्तांबुल बनाना चाहते हैं। और इस्तांबुल किस राष्ट्र का राजधानी है? टर्की का। और टर्की क्या है? 100% मुस्लिम कंट्री। और टर्की का जो प्रधानी है, प्रेसिडेंट है एर्दोगान, वो भारत के खिलाफ बोलते रहते हैं। भारत में जो हिंदू रहते हैं उनके विरुद्ध वो बोलते रहते हैं। और ये केसीआर जी हैदराबाद को इस्तांबुल जैसा बनाना चाहते हैं। Which is why I am not surprised that they are in partnership with MIM, because MIM is a Muslim only party which wants to make Hyderabad of India look like Hyderabad of Pakistan. TRS and MIM are in an alliance together. I want to tell all of them, the Yuva Morcha Karyakartas of Telangana, Yuva Morcha Karyakartas of Hyderabad, we have decided, our sankalp is to not let you make Hyderabad Istanbul.